Hi guys, welcome back to Adi's Creative World. So today we are going to do a project and it's project number 1. So we'll start the project. So see, this is the project. There's a story behind the project. So let's read the story. Your school is hosting a quiz competition. Your principal wants you to create a digital scorecard. You have to send a sample of how the number will look when displayed. It's a simple project. What we should do means my school is hosting a quiz competition and we should create a digital scorecard. See, this is a digital scorecard and you have to send a sample. Means I have to send a sample on my favorite number. Before that, an interesting fact, the number displayed on handheld calculators are made by lightening up different parts of the 7 lines that are on the screen. See, here you can see 7 lines appear. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So now we'll move to the code. See, half will be already done and I have done my favorite number 8. So I'll show you how it works. See, first black screen, then gray appears, then a red, the number which you want, you can code it. So we'll go to the code. Okay, now half will be already done for us. For me, half is already done. When run, set color to black color, means in brushes you can see set color to black color. Jump to the top left position. In actions, jump to top left position. Set width in brushes and move forward by 400 pixels. Now again we should move forward also, will get in actions. Now set color to gray color for this, for the number, means the 7 outline appearing, and set width to 7. The thickness of the thickness of the color should be 7. Jump to 120 over 15 down. Now move forward by 175 pixels. Jump forward by 10 pixels. Turn right by 90 degrees. Move forward by again 175 pixels. Jump forward by 10 pixels. Move forward by 175 pixels. Again turn right by 90 degree. Jump forward by 10 pixels. Move forward by 175 pixels. Jump forward by 10 pixels. Turn right by 90 degrees. Move forward by 175 pixels. Jump forward by 10 pixels and turn right by 90 degrees. So yeah, this one will be done. Then jump forward by 10 pixels, move forward by 175 pixels, jump backward by 185 pixels, turn left by 90 degrees, move forward by 175 pixels and turn right by 90 degrees. So your complete outline will be given. If you join Whitehead Junior, this and all will be given already. So I'll just show you how it works. Now if I remove this, there's just a black screen. Till here to create a black screen. And when I join this, this appears. Means yeah. And now we should code for a favorite number. My favorite number was 8. So I've coded it for 8. So now we should code for 8. So let's start. So the color should be for red. Come to brushes and set color to red. Now use a repeat loop. Repeat loop appears in loops. And how many times we should repeat? We should repeat 2 times. For number 8, you should repeat it for 2 times. And now come to actions. Move forward by 193 pixels and turn right by 90 degree and jump forward by 10 pixels. Again move forward by 155 pixels. This time it's the number changed for an 8. 155 pixels. Now jump forward by 10 pixels and at last turn right by 90 degree. See, it's done. Now still it's not done. So we should continue. Half's done. Other half we should do again. So if you repeat it 2 times with these codes, this happens. And now again. turn right by 90 degree. It should be outside, okay? It should be outside the loop. Turn right by 90 degree. Move forward by 360 pixels. 360 pixels. Now this time it should be turn left by 90 degree and move forward by 175. Yeah, 195. I'm sorry, it's 195 pixels and turn left again. We should turn left by 90 degree and move forward by 183 pixels. This time also the numbers changing. See, 183 pixels. See, if now I change the number to 180 also it appears here. Now if I've done it to 77, see, there's a difference here. Now, but if I come to 180 pixels, it's exactly. So this is what should happen. So our number is done perfectly. So I'll show it to slowly. See, first we went play and a black screen appears. Then he's drawing the line. He's drawing the outline. These and all were given for a staff before only. Now I'm creating my number with these codes. See, the repeat loop acted 2 times and it came here. See, our number is done. So today's project is done. If you like the project, please support me by liking, subscribing and sharing my channel. Thanks a lot.